everything matters. 4 marks, super easy. You should not lose any mark. So how do I draw the mechanism of this one? It looks complicated, but there's really nothing special about it. In step 1, I will extend the arrows. So do you see that double bond right here? I will extend an arrow from the middle of the bond to the hydrogen. Now, do you see this dipole I have here? In this dipole, I will break the bond by breaking it heterolytically like this. One more arrow. For my intermediate now, I'm going to copy that reactant, the one I've started with. So this goes here, but this time I will get rid of the double bonds. I am meant to attach the hydrogen to the carbon that is richer with hydrogens. So as always, the carbon that is rich with hydrogen gets richer. So I'm going to add the hydrogen here, leaving this as my carbon cation. What about my remaining part of my reactant there? So I'm going to take it as it is. This has the bond being broken, right? So this oxygen here should have a pair of electrons. From those pairs of electrons, I will hit that carbon cation, forming that dative covalent bond. And this should give me the final product.